Hey everyone, Jade Alpine Company's epoxy injection project. We've got our ports installed or crack grouted and we're doing the injection. You can see here, this is about how slow you want this injection to go. Inject too much too fast, could pop the ports off the wall, blow the epoxy out the back. Just a nice slow process. You can follow this on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. Watch this project as well as over 3,000 others. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. See you guys on the next one.